Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up the kids profile on Amazon Kindle Oasis. To do this, we'll need to click on the three dots right here, go for the settings and enter the parental controls. Here you need to have the parental controls all set up. You can check our previous video on how to do this. Now go for Amazon Kids. Here you can add the child profile, you can name it, add the date of birth and click on OK. Go for the next page. Here you can set any access to different things on your device for a specific child profile. Here I have two. And now it should be done and you can use that profile for your kids. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.